Good morning, fellow traders. Paul here. Stuff the good market prep for Tuesday, September the 7th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great night last night and a wonderful Labor Day weekend. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check through. We left off the market last week, and so monthly chart here still green. Weekly chart, right? We closed up towards that upper Bollinger Band, right? So it's riding that upper band up here. Very choppy week last week as we expected going into the holiday weekend, and now we got a 4-day week this week. So wouldn't be surprised if we saw a little bit low volume going into this week, and then next week traders start coming back in next week. I think we got some Fed day too, right? So we got a little bit of action coming up, so that could be pretty interesting. So basically the chop, right, is this WXY pattern that we've been talking about, ABC, right? So and the futures are down a little bit here this morning, so that could kind of give us that little Y type formation. Then we'll see if that's the end of this sub wave 4, and then if we get a wave 5 up, right? So we'll continue to track that going into this week. As for the SPY, right, so increasing volume on Friday, but today we're just kind of range bound right now within this triangular range. So basically more chop, and if we get a little downside, that's that wave Y type move that we've been talking about. S&P futures, same thing. Over the, it's tough because the holiday you get like this abbreviated trading session, and I used to kind of ignore that, but we found that the gaps, which is right here at 45, 42, 50, tend to play out, right? So we watch those, and we watch those levels. That's why it's really tight up here. So a lot of the big levels are up here, but below this geometric line and the overnight low, there's room to the signal zone below. So keep an eye on that one going in today. And obviously, you can just put straight geo lines on this stuff here with the MES. So just really watch this, see if they want to get bullish, right? And we got this little bounce right here. So just kind of keep your geos on that. Let's take a look at the Qs this morning. Q's kind of pulling back here a little bit here so far this morning, so let's see how those hold. IWM again just kind of choppy sloppy here this morning. The XLF with a little bit of a gap up here today, so see if they can carry the market. VIX got really perky here this morning. They're ready for a new week, so we'll see how that goes. Let's take a look at Apple, kind of choppy here today, and Tesla. So Tesla up a little bit here this morning, so let's see how that goes here today. Bitcoin still up 1,000, but kind of a rough overnight session right there. But thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.